Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lesson, I'm going to discuss topographic mapping, its uses, then how to create surface, and finally how to create contour map. So first of all, I'm going to discuss topographic mapping. This is the study of the features in form of land surface. The origin of this word, which is topography, comes from topo and graphia. Topo mean place and graphia mean writing. So the aim of this study is to create surfaces, places, or land area. Topographic maps show the shape of the land, surface undulations, mountains, valleys, and plains. This is about the topography and its brief introduction. We can use topographic maps. So this is generally used in engineering. Also, it is used in energy exploration, natural resource conservation, environmental management, public work design, commercial and residential planning, and outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and fishing. Now I'm coming towards the procedure how to produce topographic maps in Civil 3D. Once the survey data, which is control points, are imported in Civil 3D, then the topo maps are produced in two steps. Control points mean those points whose three coordinates like x, y, and z coordinates are known, are called as control points. The first step is to create surface that you can simply call as topo surface. So topo surface is a three-dimensional geometric representation of an area of land, which is created when Autodesk Civil 3D connects the points. And then the next step is contour map, and the contour map is actually a map which is having contour lines, and all these lines are the lines which join the points of same or equal elevation. This means every contour line is having a specific elevation. Now I'm going to open the software, and if you remember the previous lecture in which we tried to import survey data, so I am going to add topo surface and contour map and that data. This is the data on which we worked in our previous lesson, in which around 468 control points were imported in the Civil 3D software, which you can see from here. This is 0.402, whose elevation is 3628.92 feet. Similarly, this is point number 72, which is having elevation of 3648.78 feet, its elevation. So now in this today's lesson, I am going to create the surface. For that I have to select the prospector and then click on the surface and right click on it, create surface. Now a new dialog box has appeared here. So in this dialog box we can change the name of this surface. So I am giving the name that is surface of first practice. Now this is the style for contour. So I am initially going to select 1 feet and 5 feet design. Later on I will explain how to change 1 feet minor contour and 5 feet is major contour interval. Click on OK and then OK. Now a surface is created. If you see here below the surface, then a new button is created, which is surface of first practice. So I have to click on this plus sign and then definition. After that click on point groups. Click on it, right click on it and add. And if you remember in the previous lesson we created a group of points with the name all points. So click on all points, apply and then OK. Now this is the surface which is created for these points. All these are contour lines. The green line is major contour and the other 4 line of red color are the minor contour lines. Now I am discussing various feature of this surface, and then I will also describe the contour line and about its interval and some other properties. For that I need to click on this surface and then I can change the I can edit the surface properties from this button, as well as I can also right click on this and from here edit surface style. So click on edit surface style. Now a new dialog box is created in which we have information, borders, contour, grid, points, triangle, watershed, analysis, display and summary. First I am going to click on display and then you can switch off or on the visibility of different properties like points, triangle, borders, major contour, minor contour, and similarly slope, arrows, watershed. We can also change the color of these feature if I change the color of triangle to some other color like yellow. Now this is changed. Similarly currently the border is of green color, so you can change the color of border. So click on it and I'm going to select red color for border. Minor contour is of green color, that is okay, and similarly this is also okay. Now I am going to apply these changes which you will see here in the topo map. apply, and OK. The color of the border is changed to red, and similarly we have also changed the color of triangle, but we didn't see any triangle currently, and the reason of that is its visibility. So I am going back to edit surface style, right click on it, edit surface style, and then I'm going to click on this visibility button, and I'm also clicking on this. I don't need at the moment to show the major contour or minor contour, so only border and triangle is now changed to display in this topo map. Apply and OK. So this is the border line which is of red color, and all these are the triangle, and basically this is the procedure of triangulation, in which the area is divided into a number of triangles. Now I am doing some other settings, so click on this, right click on the surface, edit surface style. I'm making triangle off and turn on the major contour, the minor contour, and apply. So now you can see the contour lines and boundary lines. Similarly, if I'm interested to show the elevation of the land, then click on this and then apply. In this the dark color is showing the lowest elevation, however the dim color is showing us highest elevation. Again click on this for some other setting. Now here I'm interested to show you slope, so click on this and apply. Okay, now this is the topo map in which the slope is also shown, which you can better see if you click on the surface and then object viewer. So this is a new window. From here I'm going to select the front view, and you can also change this visualization style from here. Currently it is conceptual, so you can select 3D wireframe, hidden, realistic, shaded, or any other option. So you can see now the undulation of this area with the help of 3D orbit, like this. This is the land area which is having somewhere valleys, somewhere ridges, and so on. Now I'm going to close the object viewer. Now I'm going to do some other setting in the edit surface style, and the same button display. Click on elevation to turn it off, also slope, and now in this window I want to show the slope arrows. You can see these arrows which is showing you the slope of this land area. This arrow means that the slope of the land is downgrade in this direction. Similarly if you check here, then the slope is downgrade in this direction. If you turn off the contour line, then these arrows will be very clear. For that, I'm going to switch off major and minor contour lines and apply. So now only we can see the slope arrows. Again, click on surface and then edit surface style, major contour line, minor contour line, and now switch off the slope arrows and apply. Similarly, you can also switch on the watershed to see the surface properties in this topo map. Now I'm going to change some feature of the contour lines. For that, click on the same button, edit surface style, and then click on contours. Here I want to change the contour interval. Currently the minor contour is 1 feet and the major contour interval is 5 feet. So if I change the value from 1 feet to 0.5 and then make it 2.5, it will automatically rearrange itself so that every fifth line will be the major line. Apply and OK. Now you can see the contour line are very close because we reduce the contour interval, which is 0.5 feet for minor contour and 2.5 feet for major contour. You can also increase the interval from the same button, which is contour, then contour interval, and now I am changing it to 2, so it will jump to 10. Apply and OK. Now these are the space in between the contour line is higher than the previous because the contour interval is now high. Similarly, we can change some other options like contour smoothing. If you see the contour lines and check the corner, then all these corners are very sharp. If you are interested to change these sharp corner to smooth lines, then that can be done easily with the help of contour smoothing, which is available in the same setting. Click on this and then change false to true and apply. Now you can see that these corners are now somehow smooth than the previous, but you can increase the smoothness from the same setting, like if I click on the contour smoothing and make it true, now you can use this slider bar to increase or decrease the smoothness. So I am increasing and then click on apply, and now check the corner, which is now much more smoother than the previous. So this is about how to create surface and then how to change its style and some other properties, as well as for the contour map. And another setting which is to add label on this topo map. For that, click on the surface and then add labels. So click on it, and now we have various options, if I click on slope, then I can show the slope of the land area and specific region. For that, just click on slope, and now there are two options, 1 point option and 2 point option. If you select 1 point option, then you just need to click in this land area at all those points where you want to show the slope. For example, click on this, and I'm going to click here. So this is directly showing you that the slope of this point is minus 7.1% in this direction. This means that from this to this side, the land area is having a 7.1% downgrade slope. Again, click on slope, and now I am changing the option, which is 2 point. So in this case, you can select the 2 point, the first point is this one, and now I am going to show the slope of the land area from this first point to the second point in this direction. So click on the second point. This is now showing you minus 4.2% downgrade in this direction. Similarly, slope 2 point and show the slope at some other region like this, which is minus 54.9% 0.9% downgrade, and which is very high slope in this region. Similarly, this one minus 13.8. If you select the point in along this line in the opposite direction, then this will show you around 13% slope with positive sign. Now see this 14% and 13.8%. The numerical values are almost equal, but for the first case, I mean this one, the direction of the slope is downgrade in this side. However, in this direction it is upgrade slope. After this, I can add some other levels like slope elevation, a spot elevation. I can add spot elevation as well. Click on this and click somewhere where you want to display the elevation. Now this is the point which is having elevation of 3558.88 feet. Similarly, you can click on this 3632.83 and I'm selecting in another point, this one 3519.25. so with the help of this button you can show the spot elevation. Similarly, contour multiple, click on this and now I am interested to show the contour values on all these lines, so I need to click here and then here. Now this is about the contour multiple. So you can see that this line is having 3630 feet is its elevation. The second line is having 3628 and similarly it is decreasing with 2 feet because we have given the contour interval for minor line is 2 feet. The contour interval which we set for major contour line was 10 feet. So check the elevation of two consecutive green line. This is 3630. The next line must be 3620. So this is 3620 and next line must be 3610. If I go back to the interval and change the setting of minor and major contour to 1 feet and 5 feet, then all these will be changed automatically. This is 1 and 5, apply and OK. Now see here 3630, 3629, 28, 27, 26 and 25. So the difference between the two consecutive major contour line is 5 feet and between the two consecutive minor contour line is 1 feet.